In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and merge Fortnite accounts here in Fortnite Chapter 7 Season 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, if you do have Fortnite opened up, you need to go ahead and close out of it. And go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. You're going to want to search up Merge Fortnite Accounts, just like so. Hit enter and select the first page that looks like this. It's going to take you to a page for Epic Games support, specifically the Merge Epic Games account support page. Go ahead and make sure that you're logged into your account up in the top right. And once you're logged in, scroll down on here and select Contact Us. In this section, which is now a new Epic Support AI assistant, you're going to want to go ahead and type in the following example. Say, hello, I'm having trouble linking my previous platform account to my current one. I'm not sure how to complete the process and would appreciate help. Make sure in this previous platform account, you say something like whatever your previous platform was. So say like I used to play on Xbox, I'd put Xbox in here. And then current account, you'd want to go ahead and say whatever you're currently playing on, obviously, which I'm on PC. So I'd say like PC account, just like so. This is going to be different depending on your specific situation, so make sure that you change these accordingly, but everything else can be copied and pasted, and I'll try and link this down in the comments below. But go ahead and submit this. They're going to reach out to you, and you need to continue through the prompts. This automated assistant is going to give you suggestions that don't help. So essentially, you need to ignore some of this stuff right here and ask to speak with a support assistant. So say, can I speak with someone? And then go ahead and hit enter. It's going to load for a little bit, and then it's going to give you the option to speak with a specific member of a support team. Hit yes, and you need to tell them pretty much the exact same thing. So hit submit email ticket. And now you just have to wait for them to reach out to you through the email that's linked to your Epic Games account. Now, they're going to ask you to verify ownership of both your accounts, so be ready to provide details like email addresses or other account information. And if it doesn't, get resolved the first time, I'd recommend doing this process a second time because you might have just gotten, not the greatest support agent. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.